Ayun, actually first time ko sa mga kalaban ever. Excited ako for him. Definitely magiging worth it tong first time namin maglalaro and nasa magkaibang team and one league. Pero I'm sure sobrang worth it din nung ginawa niya, diba? I've seen him work every day, on and off the court. Sobrang dami niya rin ginawa talaga for him to be able to go back in the PBA. And ako, honestly, sobrang hands-on ako sa kanya, especially when it comes to yung smartness when he's playing, when he's on the court, what he can bring to the table, and makikita natin yung little things talaga na ginagawa niya rin for the team. So excited ako for him and nakaka-proud also, and masaya ako na magkasama sila ni Brent in one team.
Di ba nagkaroon time na practice player ata si Prince sa inyo, no?
Yes.
So, ano lang yung parang sayang ba na hindi kayo
definitely, syempre. Syempre yun yung nilook forward ko rin, diba, na makapaglaro kami ulit together. I mean, sobrang gaan kasama sa court, and also I know kasi how he plays. I know what he does, especially to help his teammates. And again, sayang man yung naiisip ko, pero proud ako na nakabalik siya.
On another topic kasi, you signed recently a contract with Phoenix, so extension. So how does it feel to be in a way na-extend yung stint mo rito, and how are you looking forward to it?
Actually, not naman a big deal talaga. I mean, my first priority is really staying with the team, diba? Hindi ko rin actually alam kung saan nanggaling yung mga issues na lumalabas, diba? Wala namang ganun talaga. But then, maayos yung usapan namin ng team. And I'm just happy na I was able to sign for the team who drafted me.
Last, Richie, how about yung moves na ginawa ng team with getting some taller players? You feel like this will help you, the team, get back to the playoffs?
Yeah, definitely. Kasi syempre may view yung coaches namin na this is what we want, so ito dapat yung meron natin, diba? Things like that. And I've seen the team naman how it went this past couple of tune-ups na meron kami, diba, na actually nagulat ako na parang ang laki namin, parang ganun, diba? So definitely may impact yung ganun, na yung move ng coaches namin, ng management, especially with the system of Coach Willie.
Okay.